pabalik ako.
Nakalive ka.
Pag nakalabas na siya.
Ito pa yung center of attraction.
Ikaw si Charlie.
John Ray, ano?
Alis naman ako pag nakapasok na siya.
Okay, sige.
Sige po. Okay.
Yes.
All-in-one tayo ngayon. Multitasking po tayo. So, maupay na kulog ka iyong natanan. Magandang hapon. Good afternoon. And it's the 26th day of the year of January. And magandang hapon, guys. And welcome to the grand reveal and crowning of Miss Universe Philippines Tacloban. A moment written in destiny. A crown claimed by purpose. The stage is set for a celebration that marks the rise of a woman who is empowered in her vision, unapologetic in her truth, and authentic in her heart. Miss Universe Philippines Tacloban embodies B's Taclobanan spirit, fearless in voice, proud in identity, and ready to shine on the national stage. For the past 2 years, Tacloban proudly sent powerful Taclobanans to the Miss Universe Philippines stage in the names of Tamara Osier and Angela Cabell. Powered by the vision of our local director, Honorable Rachel Erica Chua Pineda. This year, the legacy continues as we stand firm in resilience, unwavering in purpose, and ready to welcome the new successor to the crown. The wait is almost over because today we rise from the storm, carrying our strength, ready to embark on a bold new journey. At this point, allow me to welcome the Vice President for National and Global Search of Miss Universe Philippines, Ms. Mansell Walker Statement.
Hi, society!
Okay, so on behalf of the Miss Universe Philippines, my heartfelt gratitude to all of you for coming over, and this marks the 3rd year of partnership with the Miss Universe Philippines Tacloban City. And of course, as we all know, Tacloban City is the largest city and the capital of Leyte, and they produce a lot of beauty queens already, and that's very significant to remember that the city really produces a lot of potential beauty queens. And at this point in time, I would like to commend and extend my deepest gratitude to our Honorable Rachel Chua Pineda, our MDPH local director, for very consistent in mounting outstanding pageants for the past 3 years. And this year, we are, for a very special circumstance, we are going to appoint delegate for MUPH Tacloban, and I'm very excited who will be the next representative for the Miss Universe Tacloban City. And at this time naman, I would like to take this chance to thank all of you, especially our beloved media partners. Thank you so much. Kasi kung wala ang ating mga media partners, wala tayong mga news about all of this. Thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart. Then, we will not keep you waiting. So, the girl is downstairs already. So, congratulations sa MUPH Tacloban, and good afternoon, everyone.
Thank you very much, Ms. Max. Your presence is truly appreciated. So, Universe, are you ready? Ayan, medyo nagkaano pa tayo. Technical issue with the light. So without much further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the new Miss Universe Philippines Tacloban. Let's give a round of applause to Miss Jacqueline Jackie Gulrajali.
Ganda!
Artist.
Tacloban News Central.
Aaron, right?
Hi. Tacloban News. Jackie Center. Tacloban yung ano? Tacloban na Inquirer.
Center. Thank you.
Jackie. Yeah. Budgetology Tacloban.
Ay! May branch?
Related news.
May branch.
Wave ka, Jackie.
And to formally sash and crown our new bride, we will invite Honorable Rachel Erica Chua Fernanda, Miss Universe Philippines Tacloban Local Director, together with Miss Max Quen, Miss Universe Philippines Vice President for National and Global Search.
Okay, walk closer.
Wala na si Rana ng listahan ko.
Babaguhin mo na naman.
Photo. Center, please. Thanks. Photo side.
Here.
Diyan po sa Pageantology Tacloban.
You're right, bro. You're right. Respect.
Proud Tacloban, charot.
Center po.
Tacloban.
Here.
Center po.
Center here. Center here.
Center gitna po.
Ay.
May center up po.
Sa left nyo daw po, PMB Tacloban.
Here.
Para mas mga followers.
Go Tacloban!
And we now come to the moment when we hear her voice for the very first time. Ladies and gentlemen, your Miss Universe Philippines Tacloban 2026, Miss Jacqueline Jackie Gulrajani.
Wow, my heart is absolutely full. Let me just say, I want to thank each and every one of you for being here in this room with us. This truly means a lot to us. Thank you for celebrating with us. My beautiful home, Tacloban City. I would love to give a special mention, of course, to my amazing local director, Honorable Rachel Erica Chua. Of course, Ms. Max Quen, thank you so much for being here. And my amazing Miss Universe Philippines Tacloban organization family. To every single person who actually believed in me and has given this simple girl an opportunity to wear Tacloban City on my heart as we step on the national stage. Thank you. Can I just share that Tacloban City truly raised a very tough, resilient, and very compassionate cookie. That cookie is me. But I just want to be very clear. I stand here not just for myself, but for every single girl from Tacloban who dares to dream boldly and loudly. Daming durungan salamat.
Thank you very much, Jackie. We now proceed to the moment where our esteemed members of the media are invited to engage with their delegate, our local director, and our vice president through their questions. So, our media friends, Tito Noli.
Hello.
Hi, Tito Noli. Nice to meet you.
Okay, first of all, Jackie, congratulations for being the official representative of Tacloban City for Miss Universe Philippines 2020. By the way, my family is from Tacloban.
Do you feel any pressure right now?
Okay, my question is, if you could give one message to all of your forthcoming sisters in NBPH, what would it be and why?
Well, I just want to let them know I'm very, very excited to meet them. Last year, actually, I had the opportunity to host backstage the Miss Universe Philippines swimsuit competition, and I really got to meet the girls. And this year, I'm sure we're going to have a lot of amazing ladies with their specific advocacies. I'm just very excited for them, and I cannot wait to meet them and learn from them. So it's just going to be a very lovely hello, and I'm sure we're going to be really good friends, hopefully.
Okay, a follow-up question.
Sure.
Okay, going to the competition in less than 2 weeks.
Yes.
Okay. So, what do you think is your what do you set apart from the other girls? What do you think it is? Okay.
I love that question because at the end of the day, if you think about it, it is still a competition, right? Although as much as I try not to compare myself, I do understand and I do know where my heart is, and it's very much aligned. I've always looked at myself as, and not really actually, in my entire life, every single time I only take up two specific roles, either a mentor and a leader. And there's one thing in common with those two, and that is it's never about me. It's always about the people I lead, the people I train. And I realized that that is the job of the Miss Universe. At the end of the day, the job of the Miss Universe is not to be seen. It's to let other people be seen and feel seen. And that's why I feel like I deserve to be there and to be the next Miss Universe.
Okay, and finally, can you tell us one thing about Tacloban that most of us are not aware of?
You know, I know Tacloban has been associated with, you know, Haiyan, Typhoon Yolanda, but one thing you probably do not know is even before that, we've always been very resilient people. And I think I'm a true testament of that. I came from a very simple background, actually a very humble background. My mom was a sales lady, although I was born into, you know, a well-to-do family eventually, I still recognize my roots. And I think that that is what a lot of people should know about Taclobanans. And you mentioned you're also from Tacloban, so I'm sure you'd be a very good, you would agree with me, essentially. And everywhere you go, Taclobanans are very resilient. You will meet a waray-waray, for sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hello, Jacqueline and Rich from Pageantology.
Hi, Branch!
So, actually, correspondent po ako.
Hi!
Jacqueline, so why do you think this year is the best for you to join the Miss Universe Philippines?
Honestly, you know, never in my wildest dreams did I even think that I was going to be competing. But this year, I feel things are just aligning. I mentioned last year I got to host. Now I understand that this platform is absolutely powerful and the influence that it can have and make with people. You know, I realize that it doesn't really matter whether I win or not, but of course we want to win. But essentially, if I could just change one life, you know, the life of one girl, essentially, I would feel already very happy with that. And so I think this year is definitely the time for me to do this. I've had plenty of years to prepare and work on myself. I feel this year is definitely it.
How old are you?
I feel very young.
Well, I'm young. You're Filipino-Indian.
Yes.
You're an educator, host, model, saying ata sis, mentor. Can you give us 3 interesting facts na gusto mong i-share sa amin?
3 interesting facts, other than I'm Filipino Indian and I have bent pinkies, everything else on top of that I mentioned. I would just have to say that I'm a very simple-minded girl who's a learner of life. That's one. I'm constantly curious. You're probably, and I hate to sound very weird, but I'm probably one of those girls you're gonna see outside who's hugging a tree. I won't do that for long, but it gives me a very good feeling. I love nature. I love learning about things. I love talking to stray cats. You know, I'm that kind of girl. So I think these are little secrets that only my close friends know, and now you are already part of them because you know.
I was trying to kasi for launching kasi ito ng Pageantology. Sabi tayo. The last question, Who's your favorite Miss Universe Philippines or Miss Universe personality?
That is difficult because we have a lot, but my most recent would have to be Atisa. I met her. I believe that she is the best example of somebody. I really admire that girl. Somebody who has fully integrated all of her parts. She was able to share things that she was not very proud of, and I'm just happy to see that. I think that that's very inspiring.
Thank you so much. Mamaya si Miss Max and Miss Rachel, mamaya natin siya sa salang.
One-on-one?
Hello, Jacqueline. This is Paco Navigator. I would like to ask, when they actually offer you to become the representative of Tacloban, ano ka ba? Nagdalawang isip ka ba? Or like, yes, this is it.
Wow, I was gonna vomit. I felt that way, I'm not gonna lie. The first time I thought about it, I was a loss for words, and that does not normally happen. And that's when I knew this is the right decision. This is the right time to actually do this. When you're afraid, when life pushes you to do something and you feel a little bit scared, that's when life challenges you. So I feel very good that I said yes.
That's great to hear that. And I just want to ask also, because the two former queens of Tacloban gave outstanding performance in the national stage. So what are you going to do to be on the same level of their performance, or at least be on top of them?
Right. As I said, I'm not here just for myself, but for Tacloban. So we're obviously going to do our very best. And I'm just going to give it my all. That's why it took a while for me to say yes. All the, practicing, preparation, and just constantly being able to learn as well. I'm never afraid to ask questions. I'm constantly asking. I'm not afraid to sound a little silly sometimes. I will be asking that. And so that is my approach. Be a learner of life and be the best that I can from like the previous day, so to speak.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, Jackie and Christian from the Crown Philippines.
Hi, Christian.
So, what exactly did run to your cross your mind to join Miss Universe Philippines or any national?
The specific point, right, when I considered, I thought, maybe I could join, was when I hosted backstage. I met a lot of these amazing girls. They're all inspiring. And I thought, I had a misconception of beauty queens before, I'm not gonna lie. I thought when you're a beauty queen, it's all about you. But the moment that clicked, when I said, it's not about you, it's about what you're representing, it's about your country, and it's about an entire nation behind you, that's when I realized, okay, I could actually do this.
And just one more question. If you could describe how your Miss Universe Philippines journey will be as you envision it, if you can describe it in just one word, what word would that be?
Hopeful. I think that's going to be it. Consistently looking for the positive side of things and just having a positive heart.
Hi, Jackie.
Hi.
Okay, one of my colleagues here informed me that you're a Viva artist.
I signed with Viva, yes.
Okay. So how long have you been with the film?
Quite recently, actually. They have been planning to do a specific, a series of, movies and all. But I did ask their permission. I have the blessing. So we will be sitting here, not for that.
But have you appeared in any
Not yet. So we're just really still planning, and they're still trying to figure out where they're gonna put me.
Okay, given the chance, sinong mga gusto mo makasama sa movie, sa project? Leading men?
Oh, not really. Actually, I thought of a girl when you said that. I love to work with Marian Rivera. I think she's a really good actor. Leading man, I don't really have a favorite, I'm not gonna lie. So Any would be okay, actually.
Okay, last question. Dream role, if ever?
Ooh, I'm actually really good at drama. For whatever reason, when I was doing my workshops, I would easily cry. But I would love to be like a Bond girl of some sort. Something like a sexy person who owns her power. I think that's very much me.
Oh, why not? Okay. Good luck, Jackie.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Hi, Jackie.
Hi.
Jojo Mabalis from the Patriot Platform. Question is, what does winning truly mean to you in this competition?
Winning, honestly, for me, truly means just making an impact. And as I mentioned earlier, although I have a crown, I think that that's just icing on the cake. But if I just change a person's life through my story, they get inspired, I honestly already feel like a winner.
Follow-up question. If given the crown today, what would be your first meaningful action tomorrow?
You know, my advocacy is truly empowering women through education. That runs in my core, because if I may just share, since we're already getting to know each other, one of the reasons why I'm here is because of my mom. I've seen the price women pay when they don't have access to representation and education. And so I would love for women, especially women, to have more access to education. We could have stricter policies or more initiatives from the government to make women have access to learning, understanding themselves. Because I really, really believe that when you empower a woman, when a woman understands herself, and when she can come home to herself, she becomes unstoppable. And that is one of the advocacies or the activities I would love to implement first thing, empower our women.
Thank you and congratulations.
Hello, Jackie. Congratulations.
Pambato.
Wait, no, I'll just fix my line. Congratulations, Jackie. Maupay na kulo. I'm also a rhino. I'm related. Tanawan related. So it's quite an hour from Leyte to Tacloban.
Dami.
My question first question, of course. Now that the Miss Universe Philippines is fast approaching, so what makes you excited about this pageant?
The things I'm going to learn, honestly, as I said, I'm a learner of life. I really am very humble. I know I don't know everything. So every day is such a unique experience. I'm not gonna lie, even just having to sit here upright, it's very telling of what a woman can accomplish and how confident she can be. And so that's what I'm really looking forward to. All the things I'm going to learn. And maybe the food I'm going to eat, maybe even the traveling.
Alright, just a follow-up question. So I'd like to know what's your thoughts on the pageant code, so which is this is your moment, own it.
Oh, there's a code, this is your moment, own it. I love that. For me, the first thing that resonated is taking up space, and that's why that resonates very well with me. I think women should really not be shy to have a seat at the table, take their space, not be afraid to let their voices be heard. So yes, I love that quote. Thank you. I'm going to put that on my Facebook page.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat.
Pageant Trend Tacloban yan, maganda.
Romualdez, branch. Romualdez Street.
Hi Jacqueline, my name is Adam, fashion vlogger. Nice to meet you. Thank you for having me here. But I'm actually reading your profile right now. So I found something very interesting here. So right after college, you went to Manila and immediately packed your suitcase. So and began your career here in Manila. Can you tell us more about it? You started first in the corporate world before you branched out to showbiz. How?
Yes, what a life.
Yes.
What a roller coaster, right? So I love that you brought that up. So you know what? When I came to Manila, I just had 10,000 pesos, broken luggage, by the way. That when I was walking alongside Makati Avenue, it actually opened, and all of my underwear and all of my secrets just flew. So what an experience! And at the same time, I just had a very ambitious heart and a pocket full of dreams, what you could call it. And that definitely has gotten me so far. I've even managed to live in an underground apartment, because obviously I was starting out. I only had 10,000 pesos, what are you going to do with that?
How old were you then, and did your parents allow you to move to Manila?
Oh, my dad was very excited to get rid of me, but in a very good way, okay? He just really wanted me to be independent. But I think I was a fresh graduate at the time, so around like 2021, something like that, 22. Yes.
Yeah, so how was it like? How did you find Manila when you first settled in here? Siyempre coming from being a probinsyana
Totoo.
from your whole childhood. So what was the experience like? Culture shock ka ba? Yeah, until how were you able to find your groove here in Manila?
Interesting question. And you know what, you're asking me that, I have a lot of flashbacks. I want to share so many things. But I guess one thing that really kept me going, and it's really true in me and a lot of Taclobanans, is we're very positive, we're very hopeful. Even before Yolanda, I could really attest to that. I went here, no job, no certainty, but again, I think it's my curiosity, my passion for learning. That is what has constantly kept me going, as well as my gratefulness. For whatever reason, when I look back at my experiences, the underground apartment, you know, the lack of finances, I don't look at it as something that was very difficult. If anything, I was enjoying the journey, and I think that's because of my outlook. But I'm grateful where I am now, don't get me wrong.
So you started first as a corporate, and then somebody discovered you that led you to showbiz.
Yes.
And then until you started hosting, that's when you started to realize that you probably had, that you could do Miss Universe Philippines as well.
And you'd be surprised. I was very shy. I used to be a very shy person. But I think with the opportunities that come my way, I eventually, started to discover parts of me. And I think this journey is also going to let me do that. And that's why I'm excited.
Okay, last question. The competition will be starting 2 weeks from now. Will be officially starting 2 weeks from now. So I heard there will be more than 50 contestants. So as early as now, how do you plan to stand out in the competition?
Of course, there's always going to be understanding your strengths, your opportunities, and being your best version. And then there's also preparing, a lot of preparation. So I really think that this competition is going to require both really understanding who I am and standing my ground and not getting distracted by the noise, but at the same time giving my 100% and really focusing on just being better for the Tacloban.
So in other words, kaya mo makipagpuksaan sa mga...
Yes, let's go!
Ano ba kayo, Miss Max? Tuksaan?
Patayan.
I would like to call it this time, puksaan pa rin kasi. So, puksaan 2.0.
Thank you so much, Jacqueline, and best of luck here in the competition.
Hello, nagagalit.
Okay, sa ating global director naman po.
Ay, tupoy ko ka siya.
Hello ma'am, curious lang po, paano niyo po napili si Jacqueline as the representative of Tacloban for Miss Universe Philippines?
As we have staged our pageants before the past 2 years. Now, this year I wanted it to be different. I wanted to find a girl, and I think I saw, I'm sure I saw it when I saw Jacqueline hosting our Miss Universe Tacloban last year. Even Miss Mag said, bakit hindi siya? So I asked her if she wanted, and then she took her time, and then I'm very happy that she said yes. And I have known her since I was little. Yeah. I've known her since I was little. She's my cousin's best friend. So when we saw her again on that stage, we were saying, she could do it. Kayang-kaya ni Jackie. And I think you can see it also now na kayang-kaya din niya. So, and we are happy na we have this representative, we have a strong representative that could break the grounds ng Miss Universe.
Is this your first time to join pageant?
Officially, yes, actually. I used to join pageants, but when I was in elementary school. This is different, and it's a national pageant.
Miss
I've done my
Jacqueline,
homework.
Miss Jacqueline, are you under any camp?
Right now, officially, no. We're independent, but I have a whole team behind me, and I'm really grateful for all of my guardian angels behind the scenes who are constantly giving me light and honestly a lot of encouragement. People who actually matter.
Isama ka natin ng question, pageant question. Kasi ang ganda ng galing na
Ako magtatanong.
Oh no!
Try natin. Bigyan mo nga Ferdy ng isang pageant question.
Q&A.
Try lang natin.
What makes you blush?
Hindi ba muna si Miss Max muna? Kasi kung saan 2.0, diba?
For you.
For you.
Pageant question.
Pageant question.
Since Miss Max, you said this is kung saan 2.0 for Miss Universe Philippines 2026, what advice can you give Jackie as she enters the Miss Universe Philippines 2026 stage?
For Jackie, my only advice is, your beauty is a reflection of your heart. So stay humble and always stay grounded, and maganda yung ginagawa mo that you always study your everything. Pasarela, cute, and maybe no question eh. Masyado ka nang magaling. And I think more of your attitude, work on your attitudes, stay humble and treat people with kindness. That's very important. And stay beautiful with the heart.
Oh.
Thank you.
Jackie,
Ito na ba?
sige.
Ito na.
Isa muna, ano muna? Sige. Jackie, why should you be the next Miss Universe Philippines?
I believe I should be the next Miss Universe Philippines because, as I mentioned, in my entire life, I always get categorized as either a leader or a mentor. And in those categories, it's never really about me. And so I understand the job of a Miss Universe is not necessarily to take up space, but really position people and allow people to grow and be seen. And for me, that's the legacy that I want to leave, and that's why I believe I should be the next Miss Universe. And thank you, Miss Rachel, for fixing my crown as the next Miss Universe.
Hey!
One question daw from Michelle.
Michelle.
Michelle?
Michelle, what should you be? What should you be, Michelle?
And Michelle is here. Hi. She's my Q&A.
Yeah, one question daw, Michelle. Michelle, bigyan mo naman ng question. Yung di na ano. Yung mahirap. Yung hindi na reverse.
Oo, yung hindi na
Meron siyang file sa akin.
Ito na reverse daw. Ito
Surprise siya.
One question daw. Na mahirap.
Kayo na po. May file kasi siya sa akin.
Oo, kaya nga.
Sige. The question is coming from...
Hello, Jackie, warm up. Okay, the question is, do you think climate change is the responsibility of leaders or individuals? Again, do you think climate change is the responsibility of leaders or individuals?
I believe climate change is everybody's responsibility. For individuals, even for me, I do my very best to conserve water, make sure that I reuse and recycle. But at the same time, our government can also make it easier and enable us to do these things and take care of Mother Earth. The government can still have a lot of initiatives, policies, and even initiatives and activities that would enable us to also work hand in hand so we can take care of Mother Nature. I think when we take care of the Earth, we take care of our future.
Oh!
One more.
Si Bangs ako.
One more. Answer no. Diba?
Ano na lang?
Answer no.
Okay. Jackie. Okay, from being a former Miss Universe Tacloban host to, and now you are the official representative of your city, what is yung pinaka-importante realization na nalaman, natutunan?
Oh, you're gonna make me cry. I believe the best realization that I got from that entire journey is everyone can dream. Everyone can dream. And I hope that me taking the chance of being brave also enables other people to see that and they can do that for themselves.
Lagot.
Lagot ang mga... Lagot ang mga scorecard mo.
As of now, yan na po yung candidates natin na sure for this
Actually,
edition.
more or less 60 ang confirmed. But remember, last year, it was 72. But nung nag-start ang press and public presentation, naging 66. For whatever reason, we really don't know. Meron mga unavoidable circumstances, or meron namang pwede rin natakot, or we really don't know. Na-pressure, mga ganun. So, 72 before, but now confirmed is 60. Oo, marami pa rin. Actually, super dami pa rin. Despite of all the circumstances that we experience, kasi like yung mga, di ba, ang dami natin calamities this year. So, alam niyo naman yung mga political side, there are a lot of problems as well along the way. So, it was so hard, but still, because I always tell my local directors, I don't do business, I build relationships.
Miss Max, what should you do?
Why should you be?
Ayan, question Anton.
Ayan sila Bong.
Bong Tan. Question. Diyan, karating nyo lang question.
Question.
Hindi ko nakakasagot.
Ayan.
Nahihilo pa ako.
Pahirapan muna.
Adam daw. Di ba sira na yung ano mo, Adam? Listahan mo.
Alright, Jackie. Miss Universe Philippines candidates that are coming from the overseas communities or half-east are often scrutinized by pageant fans and supporters for being not Filipino enough to represent the Philippines in Miss Universe. As a happy like you, what's your stand on this?
I love that you mentioned that because I've experienced that myself, one way or another in their little ways. But I think that being a Filipino transcends beyond the blood in your veins. It's truly about how you identify with the core values of being Filipino. So it doesn't matter what your race is, where you come from. I think we can all actually we all deserve to embrace our roots.
Thank you.
Hi, Jackie. In the age of filters and AI, what does real beauty mean to you?
Beauty? Real beauty for me is definitely not born. It's actually created. It's created in how we treat ourselves. It's created in our values, in our talents, in our character, and most especially how we treat other people. So in the age of AI and filters, you can put a lot of them and you can use as much as you want, but true beauty for me really lies within.
Pasado. Iba. Ay, sino next?
John, ready na si Bong.
Si Bong talaga. Any. Okay na.
Ikaw na kaya
Kahit ano lang, kahit ano lang. Gusto lang nila marinig yung boses mo.
Kanina ka pwede mag-ama.
Your background is, you have skills in hosting.
Yes, I have experience in hosting.
What do you think these your skills can you apply to this pageant, previous experience?
Oh, for sure. Honestly, when you asked me why just now, somebody asked me earlier, I really feel that I have been doing my personal, on-the-job training even before the Miss Universe competition, because I have gotten the opportunity to not only work on myself, but also work on my leadership skills. I got to manage so many people and coach them and mentor them. And even with hosting, all of the activities and events that I would handle will always have something to do with learning and growth. And so I really feel that this is a culmination of all of those experiences in preparation for something as beautiful as Miss Universe.
Thank you. And na yung last question. Hi Jackie, my name is Oyel. Sorry I'm late. Wow.
It's okay.
Jackie, is this your first pageant?
It is my first official national pageant too. I joined pageants when I was really young, 6th grade, but that's about it.
Okay. I'm not sure if they asked you this question. So what made you decide to join Specially Miss Universe Philippines?
Well, it was asked earlier, but I really want to highlight that I understand the Miss Universe Philippines platform is really influential and that it can, reach a lot of people, so to speak. And so when the opportunity landed on my lap, I could not say no to that. The fact that I could serve more people through my advocacy and my passion, I think that is why it was easy for me to say yes.
So give us at least 3 reasons why all the people of Tacloban will support you for Miss Universe Philippines 2026.
3 reasons. Of course, ultimately, I am a Taclobanon. I am a proud Taclobanon, and I'm doing it for them. But the 3 characteristics I would always go back to are my being empowered, my being unapologetic, and my being authentically me. I think that these are my core values that has gotten me from place to place, and now I feel that these will also help me in this journey.
Okay. In Tacloban ba, like Waray or Bisaya?
Waray.
Waray. So can you introduce yourself like in Waray?
Maupay nga kulop hayo nga tanan. Ako po si Jacqueline Samson Golrajani, ang iyong Miss Universe Philippines Tacloban.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Waray.
Basta waray? Mahusay.
Anton! They just arrived from
Tacloban.
Hello, Jackie.
Hello.
Okay, so if you win the crown, of course, the Miss Universe Philippines, what can you offer to the organization?
$10 million.
I'm a really hard worker, and I keep on mentioning I'm a learner of life, and so I think these are the 2 qualities that they could definitely work with. And not only do I think I would consider a very strong portfolio with me being a corporate leader down to having my own initiatives already that are existing. It's not that I'm just starting them just because I'm joining a competition. I truly feel that this just enables me to become even more influential, and those are the things that I can bring to the table for sure.
Thank you.
Winner. Adam, sila ng Adam.
Sir, off the top of my head, I realized, kasi you're so good in Q&As. So, of course, when we watch a pageant, normally the Q&A is in the last part where they usually call the top 5. So I wonder, what's a strategy for you to get to top 5? Like, how do you plan to stand out in the Pasarela area? Like, who's training you? Because let's face it, Miss Universe Philippines is all about Pasarela. You really have to impress us physically first before you get to your favorite portion, I suppose your favorite portion of the contest. So, without giving too much details, what's your strategy for your pasarela? And pwede ba magbigay ng sample as early as now, if you don't mind?
But honestly, I believe that nothing cannot be achieved if you don't work hard or work on it. And so I'm really focusing on the areas that I feel I can still definitely improve on. And at the same time, our goal is to be able to hold a microphone come the Miss Universe competition.
Mm-hmm. So,
Sample.
No judgment.
Yung phone lang? Hindi ito. Para lang ako. Okay. As soon as the
Like name and Tacloban City. Name and Tacloban City lang. Alright, ready? Wait lang.
Jacqueline Sampson Golrajani, your Miss Universe Philippines Tacloban.
Wala to yung your miss. Ano lang, Tacloban.
Yung intro na
Tacloban.
Name, then Tacloban City.
1, 2, 3, go.
Jacqueline Sampson Golrajani, Tacloban.
Ang ganda ng voice na, no? Tacloban. Pili ko mag-voice over to sa mga ano.
Host kasi siya po.
Kasi si Stacy is
There's one more question. Kasi you're very good at Q&A. So I wonder, and you said that you find the Miss Universe platform very appealing because it's so big in our country. I wonder, from your end, what's your stance on beauty queens like you offering their political opinion? Should they be neutral, diplomatic, or should they be unafraid to share their views and thoughts? Especially, you're representing a province that is being run by... Yeah. So...
I love that question because I believe beauty queens have a very unique and powerful position to influence other people. And I always will stand by my ground when I say authentic and unapologetic. And so I love an honest queen. I think that queens should not be afraid to share their opinions and voices. Women have been forced so many times in the years that we should be timid, we should be shy, we shouldn't speak up. But I think now is the time that we encourage girls, women, to speak their minds.
So, what are your thoughts on?
I was afraid you were going to ask that.
Ang eloquent mo.
You had it ever
Yes.
since, or is it because you also studied abroad?
I was born and raised in Tacloban City. My mom bought these little cassette tapes for me that I listened to, and when I studied in elementary and high school, I actually studied at Asian Development Foundation College. It did not hurt that those teachers, we followed English-only policy. I still remember teacher Imelda, teacher Evelyn, teacher Janet. They really honed my communication skills. And I'm happy that I speak the way I speak right now.
Ang galing. Kasi kami, Mr. Bean, gano'n.
I love Mr. Bean.
For that information, yung school is owned by...
Doon galing sila Chelsea, Gatti.
Sila may-ari ng school.
Asian Development Foundation.
Asian Development Foundation College.
Okay.
So, like sila Gap, dyan na nag-aaral.
Yes,
Dami, a lot of Chelsea Fernandez.
Si J. Parpo. J. Parpo.
Mag-ano sana ko doon. Michael.
So para siyang IS ng
No.
Kaya dito lang tayo.
You explain.
It's a family-owned school na from pre-elementary to the doctorate degree. Thank you so much. We try our best to produce
Beauty queens?
professionals na at par na makakaano sa society.
High society.
High society.
High society.
Very humble lang yan, pero yan ang high society.
Ay, hindi.
Ang ating counselor.
Yeah. Tapos na, hindi na ngayon.
Ano na susunod?
What's
next? Okay.
May question pa ba kayo, guys?
Kasaw, may question ka ba? Sige, go.
Yun yung question niya kung may question
Yun lang. Yung tanong ko kung may question pa kayo. Wait, for you, what is more important? Our economic growth or yung environment natin?
I love that you bring
Wait,
that up.
may follow kasi doon. Kasi as of the moment, there's a thing in Nueva Vizcaya. So, a private I think, mining something. So, there's a lot of policemen na hinaras yung mga kababayan natin. So what do you think? What is more important? Protecting our environment or our economic status?
Honestly, I haven't heard much about the Nueva Ecija news.
Vizcaya?
No, Vizcaya. So honestly, I have not gathered enough information for me to have an opinion. But listening to your question, I definitely believe that we should be able to take care of the environment first, because that's where we get our resources. The Philippines has so much to offer if you think about it, yet we still import so many of our products, our rice, all of the things that we need. And I truly believe that when we're able to protect Mother Earth and we're able to protect the vulnerable, we can actually have a thriving economy. These two things go hand in hand.
Okay, I think we have another frontrunner this year. Thank you. Thank you. Ay, si Kuya Bong! Madala ko magtanong!
You know how to speak.
Alright.
Tara, magmariwari ka tayo.
You can say a message to your fans.
Using waray-waray. Yung waray-waray.
Ako mga kasi taga-Tacloban, no? Mga fellow Taclobanons, daming induro nga salamat ang pagkataga ako ni oportunidad nga maging iyo Miss Universe Tacloban. Maaram ako nga damo aton itong maghusay, magkarit ng mga babayi, pero gitagaan ako niyo yung opportunity nga i-representaran aton lugar. So itakon namin sa iyo, syempre, I am going to do my best. Talagang ipapakita natin nga magkarit itong mga taga-Tacloban. Salamat.
Jay is also a waray-waray. Jay!
Subtitle.
Thank you daw. And I thank you.
Sa'yo na ba?
Suray-suray din yan. Ang galing ha. In fairness.
Dahil sabi niya lang, lahat ng mga taga-Tacloban nun, magagaling. Magaling sa pageant trend, hindi lang sa pageant.
Last.
Message to everyone.
Wait lang, be. Before we wrap up.
Well, I really just wanted to I really am grateful to all of you. I know you probably had a long day. You could be anywhere else today, but you've chosen to celebrate this with us. Again, this is not about a crowning of a Miss Tacloban. Actually, this is more than us. This is for every girl from Tacloban. And so I really hope that this message is very clear. And to those behind the screens who are watching us, thank you as well for really listening and allowing space for my beautiful home. Salamat.
Galing. Same kayo ng voice ni Angel, tambal.
Ako si Carla Abeliana.
Dami.
Antoinette! Kayo si Dingdong.
Thank you very much, media friends, for coming here today with us and celebrate. And of course, our local director will have a word as well.
First and foremost, I would like to thank Ms. Mas for coming and sharing this moment with us here. And then, of course, to our media partners, maraming salamat po na pinaunlakan nyo ang aming invitation. So, we're very thankful na shinare namin ngayon si Jackie sa inyo. And I hope you enjoyed her today.
Yeah!
We are very happy and thankful that we have Jackie also as our candidate for this year.
In
So I'm
fairness.
sure yun din ang iniisip ng mga fellow Taclobaners namin. And I'm very proud that Jackie is born and raised in Tacloban.
Perfect.
It was just a gem hiding. So
Newly found gem.
I just want to share that she's a very hard worker. True to her, what she was saying earlier, she's chatting our GC na I can practice at 11 p.m. I can do this at this time. So I'm very lucky to have girls sa Miss Universe Tacloban who are very hardworking and mababain.
In fairness naman.
We are very lucky to have that one and to represent Tacloban. And now, I'm very hopeful na Jackie would do good sa Miss
Universe
Universe. You will! Thank you so much for...
All the girls are so lucky to have
Yeah.
you.
Thank you so
Same
much.
support.
And this also happens dahil sa support din ng mga fellow Taclobanans namin.
Yeah.
Sa mga tumutulong po.
Yes! Pageantology Tacloban. Ang ganda ng crown niyo pala. Ang ganda ng crown niya.
Thank you.
At saka ano siya, yung pag nagsasalita siya.
I'm Rachel.
Yes. Pang 3 years na siya.
At hindi nila yung gano'n.
Yes.
At siya si
Ang first... Madam, ang first MU page Tacloban is... Yeah! And then, Angela, na teacher. And then siya.
And now, we have Jackie.
Oh, kasi way back 2024, Tacloban placed in the first cut of Miss Universe Philippines and also won the Best in National Costume. And I think... Kaya.
Hopefully, we are always trying our best. And I think nagta-translate naman po sa mga girls natin. And we strive na mag-produce ng good girls na makakapag-represent sa amin ng Tacloban sa Miss Universe stage. And we are, of course, always hoping that we would get the crown. Para makita naman ng buong mundo na magaganda, magagaling, matatalino ang mga taga-Tacloban. So, thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Anyway, first and foremost, I would like to thank, of course, our MUPH Tacloban Local Director, Honorable Rachel Chua Pineda. Thank you very much. This is not possible without her. So thank you, and congratulations, Jackie, for a well-deserved appointment. And to all of our media partners, thank you so much sa walang kasawang suporta ninyo sa Miss Universe. And malapit na po ang ating present public presentation. Tentatively, it's on Feb 12 or 16. So we'll see kung ano yung final. Just stay tuned. And eto, more of Buksan 2.0.
Salpo ka na daw eh.
2.0 na. 2.0. Buksan 2.0.
Maraming salamat po. Thank you for coming, media friends. We'll have a group photo na lang po.
Kayo muna po. Timothy, sama ka. So, Center po. Si Balat.
Si Andrew.
Don't worry, baka talaga mag-make up.
At saka yung Q&A.
Of course!
Diyan kayo. Yung sa Tacloban. Ay, ito si sama ka Miss Michelle. Miss Michelle? Miss Tacloban. Miss Tacloban. Mag-uray ka rin. Center please. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. Ayun na nga.
Pageantology Tacloban.
Ay!
May branch na talaga siya.
Correspondent lang po siya.
Wala ka naman sa Pangasinan. Wala ka din sa Cavite.
Hello.
Tacloban lang.
Ay!
May correspondent ako sa Pangasinan.
Wala kang ano doon. Wala kang
Branch.
Soon to open. Open pa. Thank you. Solo. Dalawa muna kayo lista, no? Ma'am Rachel.
Ayan na. Ma'am Rachel.
Powerful ng Tacloban.
That's Daniel Manila?
Yes.
Center muna. 1, 2. Okay. Yeah, Antoinette also. Banks Garcia na Antoinette.
May asiyan.
Hindi naman si Cheryl. Go solo.
So yung center.
Jackie but not Rice. Jackie Rice. Ready?
Center muna. Okay, 1, 2.
Ara.
One more. 1, 2.
Ganda.
Ano pa ma? Ang daming moments na sinabi mo. Sino pa? Sino pa ma?
Si G. Barbo. Banks and Antoinette. Come on.
Center again, please.
That's the final question.
Nakakabata.
Yun pala yung highlight.
That's the final question. It's so hard to answer.
Marami matanong-tanong.
Delikado.
Sa point ng point mo kuya?
Mapabuhay. Press ko talaga.
Can you hold your glasses?
Kaadam talaga pa. Okay, Jackie here.
May pagka-Angela Veras, no? Dati ko.
Jackie, dalawang hindi nila pinunta na event. Binibini and Jessica.
Para sa'yo, ang laban na to.
Honest kami.
Yes!
Jackie, one more.
Ay, anesthesia kasi.
Honest tayo.
Anesthesia.
Si Christian kasi, yung pinagpupuso ng honest.
Kaya Christian, hindi ka pumunta sa ano?
Onion pose.
Kuya, hindi pumunta rin.
It's an honest Tisha.
Dahil sa ano?
Son anesthesia.
Basta wala
Ganda and
Kasi
fair.
makeup is so important.
Yes!
Minsan pag nagkamali, ang makeup, jongin.
Jackie here.
Minsan ngayon na
How young?
Jackie here.
Super young.
Super young?
Yeah, feel very young.
20. Nasa 20.
As young as you daw, me. Ilang taon? As young as you.
Matanda na ako, May. Hindi ako.
One-on-one, pwede mag one-on-one. Sige na. Picture na lang muna tayo. Ay, lahat tayo. Bigyan muna daw.
Jackie, how young are you?
Picture na mo kami.
Okay.
Makamigyan ta. Lahat tayo.
Ako yung SL. Ako yung SL.
Ikaw na naman. Ako yung seminar.
Ako yung SL. Ako yung SL today.
It's a prank.
Ano nga rin?